Understanding the phrase, give of yourself. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's English language learning session. In this video, we'll be exploring the phrase, give of yourself. This is a common English expression that can be quite meaningful, and understanding it will definitely add depth to your language skills. So, let's dive in. Give of yourself is a phrase that implies contributing or offering a part of who you are to others or to a cause. It's not just about giving something material or physical. It's about sharing your time, effort, skills, or even emotional support. This phrase emphasizes the personal and emotional investment involved in the act of giving. To understand this better, let's look at some examples. 1. Volunteering at a shelter is a way to give of yourself, as you're offering your time and compassion to help those in need. 2. When a teacher spends extra time to help students understand a concept, they are giving of themselves through their dedication and patience. The meaning of give of yourself can slightly change depending on the context. In a personal relationship, it might mean being emotionally open and supportive. In a professional setting, it could refer to going above and beyond in your job duties. Understanding the context is key to grasping the full meaning of the phrase. This phrase also carries cultural and emotional weight. It's often seen as a positive quality, reflecting selflessness and a caring nature. However, it's important to balance giving of yourself with taking care of your own needs. I hope this explanation helps you understand the phrase, give of yourself, better. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about the ideas and emotions they convey. Thanks for watching, and keep practicing your English.